Hollywood Gossip. Aloha, I'm Brooke Bergstaller. As their every move is being tracked these days, here's the latest scoop on Kimye. Kim Kardashian and Kanye West are scratching the whole elaborate wedding thing and getting married at their local courthouse. Oh, you know I'm kidding. Here's the real deal. Move over Middleton, because these two have their sights set on their own royal wedding. As Us Weekly claims, Kim and Kanye are looking to France's Palace of Versailles for their much-anticipated, highly choreographed nuptials. Kanye has never been married and wants a big wedding, a source says, noting the obvious that these two are not working with a budget. Not even close. After all, we're talking about the guy who hired a 50-piece orchestra and rented out San Francisco's AT&T Park with the Jumbotron lit up reading, "Please marry me," while giving his fiancée an $8 million engagement ring. And the lady who previously racked up a $10 million bill for her 72-day marriage to NBA player Kris Humphries. So, we're guessing that there's probably going to be an open bar at their wedding. Sources say Sharon Sachs has been plucked for the job of planning their special event, as she's planned parties for the Kardashians for years. And don't you worry your pretty little heads about missing out on their big day. Kim and Kanye plan on getting the whole thing documented, of course, coming to a theater near you. Well, thanks for watching the Hollywood Gossip, y'all. I'm Brooke Bergstaller.